School is back in session, so it's time to hop on our learning game. And today, we're going to Google School. This month, we're going to cover all of the things that you need to know to fully optimize your Google profile and how to really take advantage of everything that the platform has to offer. So let's talk about it. First things first, we want to get your profile verified and active. If you have not done that already, we have included a helpful link in the description for you. Now let's talk about optimizing your profile. There are a few things that you need to have done in order to have a fully optimized profile, meaning that you've included all of the back-end stuff that needs to be on there in order to help you rise in the search ranking. I'm going to use one of our accounts as a test to really show you how to fully optimize it and all the things that you could be adding to your profile. The first thing is you can see your profile strength section here. This shows you how optimized your profile is and if there's anything lacking or that you could still go ahead and complete. So first things first, you want to make sure you have a picture on there. It's going to be labeled as your logo, but it's really just your headshot. To do that, we're going to go to Add Photos, select Images and Photos. You can drag and drop any image in there that you'd like to use. And it'll pop up in there. You can then hit the change logo, swap it out if needed. Again, that logo is your headshot. It does not hurt to add more pictures in here. We'll talk about this in a later video, but think of Google as an extension of your social media profiles that you're using for your business. You don't have to post on it every single day, but just periodically keeping photos, keeping it up to date is going to really help you rise in the rankings. When people search local professionals in the area, if you pop up, you want to make sure that all of your contact information is in there. This includes your phone number, your primary office address, things like that. You'll hit this Edit Business Information, and you can go through and make any changes or additions to that. Something else that I would like to note is with your business description in here, you want to make sure that you add as many SEO or search engine optimization words to really help you be more easily found by the audience that you're trying to have reach you. I recommend before you add it in here to run it by a friend or maybe even ChatGPT or Gemini to request that they add any SEO terms that may be relevant, really help you be found by these audiences. You can include first-time homebuyer, VA, real estate, new home, things like that that really help be found by people who need help. If you want to take it a step further and make sure you add all of the things that you can take advantage of within your Google profile, we can scroll down on this right-hand side here, and there's a few things that people don't normally take advantage of. The first is this questions and answers section. If you don't have a question, it will prompt. It's important to add some questions. If there aren't questions in there, it will show that there are no questions, and it'll say be the first to answer or be the first to ask. So you don't want to leave it open-ended for bots or scammers to leave questions on there without you knowing. So it's recommended to go ahead and ask an anonymous question. It won't show who is asking this question, so you can ask all of these questions that you get asked a lot. For our sales team, we do already go in and add some for you, but adding additional questions that you may think is relevant to help people really understand what you do, or maybe those questions that you get asked a lot, you can ask that question in here. Once you hit post, you can then go in and answer that question, and it'll show that it comes from you. So it shows that you are a credible, reliable source, which again, we really want to ensure that that's in there to help get you more business. All right, so now that we've gone through your Google profile of some things that you could definitely be adding to really take it a step further of having this active Google profile, we're going to have some homework. And of course, you didn't think that we were going to start Google School and not have homework. So take a look at your Google profile. What's missing? What can we do to improve it? Did anything that we talked about today, can that be added? Go ahead, optimize your bio, make sure your contact information is correct, and maybe ask and answer a few questions in here as well. Also, if you don't have a Google profile, go ahead and do that now. That is the biggest thing that you can be doing to help increase your business this year. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know.